How to add a new reminder in iPhone 16e. So let's start the video. First of all, open app library and then click on productivity and finance. Now here you can see the app reminders. Now click on it, and if you want to add a reminder, then simply click on add new reminder, and here you can add your reminder, and here you can see the info icon. Now click on it, and here you can set date, time, and repeat, and location. After that, click on done. So this is the way to add a new reminder in iPhone 16e. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.